Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to find your blocked list on WhatsApp Web using your PC. It's a straightforward process that will help you manage your blocked contacts effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open WhatsApp Web on your computer. If you're not already logged in, simply scan the QR code using your phone's WhatsApp app. This will sync your WhatsApp account to your web browser. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu. At the bottom, you should see a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open up your WhatsApp web settings. In the settings menu, you'll see a few options. Click on privacy. This section allows you to manage your privacy settings on WhatsApp web. Once you're in the privacy settings, scroll down until you find blocked contacts. Click on blocked contacts, and you'll see a list of all the contacts you've blocked on WhatsApp web. From here, you can manage your blocked list. If you want to unblock someone, simply click on their name and select the Unblock option. And that's it. You've successfully found your blocked list on WhatsApp web. This feature is a great way to manage who can contact you and maintain your privacy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.